Welcome back to the channel. I am Kiran Kumar. In this video, we will discuss about data types with variables practically in Eclipse. So let's get started. Open Eclipse in your system. In the previous video, we will discuss about how to create Java project in Eclipse. If you haven't seen yet, the link is in the description. Watch it now. Come to this video. Double click on the programs. In the programs, we have seen source folder. In the source folder, we have created programs package. In the programs package, we have created helloworld.java file. Double click on the Java file. So this is our editor window. We will start with the main method. For that, type main and after that control plus space in the keyboard. The Eclipse gives us a suggestion main method. Double click on it. So automatically Eclipse will create main method for us. So now we will discuss about the data types. The first one is Boolean. Boolean B equal to true. So this is the value and this is the name of the variable and this is the data type. The whole line is syntax of declaring a variable with the data type and value. Now we will check the output of B. For that, type SYSOUT. It means standard output. Now click Ctrl plus space in the keyboard. So sysout. Print to standard outline. Double click on it. So what we have to print? The value of B. So give B. Save the file and run the program by clicking on the run button. It is in between navigate and search. So the value of B is true. If we change the true to false and save it again and run it again. So now the B value is false. That's it with the Boolean. And Boolean does not accept int values or integer values or char values or any data type else. It will only accept true or else false. That's it with the Boolean. Now we will move to the next data type. So the next data type is char. Char C,   = 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 + 1 in the single quotation marks give a. Now print the output. For that, sys out, repeat the steps and see, and save that program and run it. So you see the output is A. If we change it to camel case, so the output is now capital A. So the char will also accept numbers in between quotation marks. So now save it and run it again. You see 1. So 1 is also taken as char input. So special characters also taken as chars, and also numerical values 12 number, whatever number. So let us go with the 65. You may ask me, char will not accept the integer values. But the char is taking numerical value as input, but inside the compiler it is converted into ASCII value, and this 65 is converted into ASCII value, and the console output is char value. You see, yeah. If you change this value to some other, save it and run it. So there is no value for this. So let me give some other value, save and run it. So this is the char output. And we will check the size of the character and how many bytes it would be. For that, system dot out dot println character dot bytes. So the bytes will give us how many bytes is a character value. So let us check the size of the character also. For that, I'm copying this line and pasting it over. I'm changing it to size. So save this file and run it. So leave this as 2. The character is 2 bytes. You know 2 bytes means 16 bits. For 1 byte there are 8 bits. For 2 bytes there are 16 bits. So the size will give us bit value and the bytes will give us byte value. That's about the char. Let us move to the next. Byte b equal to something value 12. So this byte also accept char as input, and convert this character as ASCII numerical value and gives us a numerical value as an output. Let us check the output of the B. For that, sysout B. Save and run it. You see, 97 is a numerical value of small a and it is also accepts numerical values too. Save it and run it. You see, after that we will check the size of the byte and maximum value of byte and minimum value of byte. For that, sysout byte dot bytes byte dot size byte dot max value byte dot min value. Save the file and run it again. So 123 is the given input and the value of B, and the byte and this byte data type have 1 byte value. 1 byte size is 8-bit and the maximum value of byte is 127 and the minimum value of the byte is minus 128. If B exceeds the maximum of or minimum range of the byte value, it gives the error. So if it gives us 128 as positive input, it shows an error. If it gives us negative, it will be accepting. After that 128, it cannot be accepting that as input. That's it with the byte. We will move to the next data type, short. S equal to 10. As the same as byte, short also accept the char as inputs. Now we want to print the value of S. For that, sysout S. Save the file and run it again. So you see the value of S character is the 155. If you want to check that it is correct or not, give char C equal to 115 and let us print that value of C. Sysout C. Save the file and run it again. You see, char, the value of 155 is yes, so it is correct. Now we will see that how many bytes is short is and size of the short, minimum value and max value. For that, sysout short dot bytes short dot size short dot max value short dot min value. Save the file and run it again. This is the value of character S is given as input. The short is 2 bytes and this is the range of the maximum range of the short and this is the minimum range of the short. That's it for in this video. We will discuss another data types in another video. Thank you. Bye bye.